You're using ChatGPT wrong. Yeah, I said it. If you've ever typed something like, write me a blog post or summarize this, and thought, why isn't this tool giving me something amazing? This video is going to change everything for you. I'm about to show you how to unlock the real power of ChatGPT with 3 dead simple but game-changing tips that 99% of people completely ignore. And no, this isn't another fluffy prompt engineering video that tells you to act like an expert to your prompt. We're going much deeper. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn ChatGPT into your personal business partner, your 24/7 creative machine, and even your money-making assistant. Let's go. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Or if this is your first time here, I'm George, and I've been using AI tools like ChatGPT daily for years. I don't just play around with it. I use it to automate income, speed up my content production, launch digital products, and help clients scale fast. But here's the truth, most people are stuck in basic mode. They treat ChatGPT like a toy, and that's a massive waste. Today I'm giving you 3 insanely powerful tips to get serious results. And I'm not just going to tell you what they are. I'll show you exactly how to use them, with simple examples that'll blow your mind. Tip #1 will 10x the quality of your outputs. Tip #2 will change how you structure every prompt forever. And tip #3, well, let's just say it could be the difference between playing with AI and making actual income from it. Let's dive in. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They treat ChatGPT like Google. You ask it a question like, give me Instagram captions for a coffee brand, and it gives you something dry, generic, lifeless. Now imagine asking a new intern to write captions, and all you say is, write 5 captions for Instagram. What do you expect? Instead, imagine you told that intern, hey, we're a fun, eco-friendly coffee company. Our tone is cheeky and casual. Our audience is mostly 20 to 35-year-old coffee lovers who care about sustainability. This week, we're promoting our new biodegradable pods. Can you write 5 captions in that voice? Suddenly, the intern gets it. Same thing with ChatGPT. Here's what you need to do. Front-load your prompt with context. Try this prompt instead. You're a social media strategist for a coffee brand that targets Gen Z and millennials. The brand is eco-conscious, playful, and uses lots of emojis. You're promoting a new line of biodegradable coffee pods. Write 5 Instagram captions in a witty tone between 15-25 words each. Boom. Watch the quality leap. And this applies to everything. Blog posts, emails, product descriptions, video scripts. Always give ChatGPT the who, what, why, and how before you ask for the output. Pro tip. Save these structured prompts as templates. If you use tools like Notion or Airtable, you can create reusable prompt cards for different tasks. I'll link a free template below. Most people think ChatGPT is a one-prompt tool. Wrong. The real magic happens when you treat it like a collaborator and break complex tasks into steps. Let me explain. Let's say you want to create a lead magnet, a free ebook to grow your email list. Here's how most people do it. Write a free ebook about AI for beginners. That's like asking someone to bake a cake and just saying, make a cake. No recipe, no ingredients, no idea what kind. But what if you did this? Step 1. Give me 5 lead magnet ideas around the topic AI for beginners. Target audience, small business owners. Keep ideas practical and high value. Step 2. Expand on idea #3. Give me a detailed outline with 5 sections and 3 bullet points per section. Step 3. Write the first draft of the ebook based on this outline. Keep the tone conversational, like you're explaining it to a friend. Step 4. Suggest a catchy title and subtitle for this ebook. Step 5. Now give me a landing page copy that sells this ebook. Include a headline, bullet points, and call to action. This is how professionals use ChatGPT. You're chaining prompts to guide the tool through a workflow. It's structured, it's strategic. And the results? Way better. Pro tip, you can automate this using tools like ChatGPT plus Zapier or using custom GPTs. There are even Chrome extensions that let you save and replay prompt chains. Comment below if you want a full tutorial on that. This is where the game really changes. What if ChatGPT could think like you? What if it could write like you? Or reply to emails in your tone? Or create content that sounds like you actually wrote it? It can. Here's how. Feed it your brain. Let me show you how easy this is. Step 1. Grab a piece of your own writing. It could be a blog post, email, social caption, or even your YouTube script. Step 2. Paste it into ChatGPT and say, analyze the writing style of this text. Describe it in terms of tone, sentence structure, formality, humor, and use of slang. Then use this analysis to write future outputs in the same voice. ChatGPT will break down your tone like a pro copywriter. Then next time, just say, use the same tone and style as before. Write a cold email to a small business owner, inviting them to a free webinar on AI tools. You'll be shocked at how much it sounds like you. Pro tip: you can even upload multiple examples and ask ChatGPT to combine and replicate your personal brand voice. Think of it like building your AI clone. Bonus: if you're a freelancer, agency owner, or content creator, you can do this for your clients too. Imagine offering AI-powered blog post packages where everything still sounds 100% human, because it's based on the client's own past work. Huge opportunity. Let's make this real. I'm going to build a product idea using these 3 tips, live. Let's say I want to create a paid Notion template bundle for creators. Step 1, context prompt. You're a productivity consultant. I want to sell a Notion template bundle for YouTube creators. Target audience is small YouTubers trying to stay organized and grow. Include 3 templates: content calendar, script outline, and analytics tracker. Step 2, chain the workflow. Prompt: give me a name and tagline for this product. Now write the sales copy for the landing page. Now write an email sequence of 3 emails to promote it. Now give me 10 tweets to build hype before launch. Step 3, train ChatGPT on my voice. I paste in one of my past sales pages and say, use this tone and writing style for all outputs moving forward. Suddenly, I've got a product, a landing page, launch emails, and social content, all in my voice. And I can do all that in under 30 minutes. Do you see the power here? Alright, now that you've got the 3 tips, let me give you some bonus tools that'll multiply your efficiency. AI PRM, Chrome extension that gives you access to hundreds of community-built prompt templates for SEO, marketing, coding, and more. ChatGPT File Uploader Extended. Upload PDFs, CSVs, Excel docs, and ask ChatGPT to summarize, analyze, or reformat them. Game Changer, Notion AI plus ChatGPT. Use them together to build fully automated systems. You can feed outputs directly into Notion templates, calendars, trackers, and even sales CRMs. Zapier plus OpenAI. Automate tasks like generating content, replying to leads, or updating spreadsheets. Zero coding needed. These tools make ChatGPT feel less like a chatbot and more like an AI employee. So, if you're still using ChatGPT like it's 2023, stop. Start using these 3 tips today. Give context like you're briefing a human. Chain your prompts into workflows. Train ChatGPT on your voice or your brand. Want all the prompts and templates I used in this video? I've put together a free Notion dashboard you can copy. The link's in the description. And if you're serious about monetizing ChatGPT, don't miss the next video. I'll walk you through exactly how I built an AI-powered passive income system from scratch using tools like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below, which tip are you going to try first? I reply to every comment for the first 24 hours. Catch you in the next one. So, if you're still using ChatGPT like it's 2023, stop. Start using these 3 tips today. Give context like you're briefing a human. Chain your prompts into workflows. Train ChatGPT on your voice or your brand. Want all the prompts and templates I used in this video? I've put together a free Notion dashboard you can copy. The link's in the description. And if you're serious about monetizing ChatGPT, don't miss the next video. I'll walk you through exactly how I built an AI-powered passive income system from scratch using tools like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below, which tip are you going to try first? I reply to every comment for the first 24 hours. Catch you in the next one.